Hello and welcome to T3PO's tutorial on folding at home. This is a video for Lacano's channel on YouTube. Now, a brief overview of folding at home. Folding at home is a project by Stanford. It uses your extra CPU cycles in your computer to fold proteins. What it does is you download a packet from the server. Then you can turn off your internet connection, but it doesn't need a constant connection with that server. And then you fold the packet, which can take up to anything from an hour to a couple of months, depending on how fast your computer is, and then it sends that packet back. Now, folding at home, currently, there's 3 clients for it. There's a PS3 client, the processor client, and the graphics card client. The graphics card client can only run if you have CUDA on your computer, if you have an NVIDIA card, or the equivalent to it on an ATI card. It also has a PS3 client, which is really fast and currently folds most proteins for folding at home. Folding at home project currently has 7.8 petaflops. I'm not really sure if you can see this, but just to give you a scale of how fast that is, the current fastest supercomputer in the world at this time is the Jaguar. The Jaguar only has 1.75 petaflops, so that's just showing you how fast this computer really is. To download Folding at Home, you go to Folding at Home's website, which you can just Google. Go to the download page, and then click on your client to download. Click on your operating system's client to download the client for your computer. You can also download the PS3 client from this page. To download the GPU client, you have to go to the beta page, because the client's still in beta testing, even though it's so much faster than a processor client. Now, once you've downloaded it, it looks like the icon looks like this on your computer. And what you do is you double click it, and then nothing will happen. But over here in your system tray, well, actually, I just quit. You double click it, it'll show up here, and then if you want to see what your computer actually looks like when it's folding, you right click it and go to display, which I'll show you in a minute. To set up your account, you type in your username here and your team number. Your team number can be acquired by going to your team's homepage and then copying the team ID code and pasting it in your team number, and that'll register you for your team, and every protein you'll fold will be registered under your username under that team, which means you can download multiple clients on multiple computers, and every single fold that you do will be counted to your username. Currently, the processor client only works up to 2 cores. So if you have a Core i7 or any other multi-core processor, it'll only use 2 of your cores. I'm not sure if they're gonna fix that soon, but hopefully they should, because there are more multi-core processors coming out. So the NVIDIA display looks really nice. It shows you what your current fold is, what your progress is on it, the performance of how fast it's going, and how much time you have left in that fold. It shows you your username and your team ID and your current graphics card or video card that you're running on it. Your CPU doesn't look nearly as nice, but it's still something. Now, to access your team page easily, you right click one of your clients, go to status, and go to team status, and this will load up your team page where you can see your current rankings among your team. Currently number 23 with 86 folds and 39,000 points. Now, the reason why I have more points than the guy below me who has 101 folds is because the GPU client, even though it folds less proteins, it still acquires more points because it takes more, it processes more when it completes a fold than a processor does. If you click on your name on your team page, it'll take you to your user page where you can see your current ranking, your score, and your work units acquired. It'll also show you how many processors you have in the past few days. If you click on your certificate, it'll show you a couple kind of cool certificates. I'm not really sure what they're used for, but they just kind of look cool. That's it. Thank you for watching.